Good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Say good morning, Brenda.
Morning, Brenda.
Are you having a laugh? So today we're definitely going to be putting the sound deadening on, but first of all we've got to use this stuff. I've got some white spirit, Brenda's got some methylated spirit, so we're going to clean it all off first, and then apparently you have to wait till it's about 10 degrees. Well, the temperature's rising, it's quite warm actually. So yeah, let's get on with that then. So we gave it a jolly good clean. There wasn't a speck of dust to be seen anywhere. We thought we might as well give it all a clean up while we're on it. So we're going to do like every surface we can find. I'm going to get on with the roof now. Brenda's putting her bum into it as normal, and it's a mighty fine bum too.
Didn't work.
I forgot that I hadn't taken these off. This one's got an handle on, so I bet that one's going to be chewy. Oh well, it's all good fun. What else would you rather be doing on a Sunday morning, eh? I thought this van handle would come out easy, but no, as you can see, it was chewy as normal. I've had a quick look on YouTube and how you get this handle off, and apparently there's a clip on the back of it, so you've got to make a little hook and pull this clip out. I've got myself some hook making material, so let's see how this ends up. So I've made myself this little hook, but now looking at it, that's different to the one I've just watched on YouTube, so I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's see what happens. Specky's on. Oh yeah, I can still see that there's a thing to hook onto. It doesn't look easy. I don't know whether you can see said hook in there. Can you see that little silver bit? That's what I'm trying to get at. Oh, there's the clip. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's popped off. I don't know where it's gone. I think it's come off, so there you go.
Yay.
That'll be mighty close to me. Right, I'm going to start putting the sound deadening on now, and looking at this area, I think it's going to need a square on about that big. So let's have a look at the measurements there. Well, that's about 26 by 23. Yes, I am talking in inches today. Sorry if you're dealing centimetres, but I do swap. I'm at that kind of age where we were taught in both sizes. So even when I did my apprenticeship, we were taught in inches, and then when we did the exam, it was all in centimetres and millimetres, so we were a little bit knackered there. So I'm going to just deal in inches today. It might be centimetres tomorrow, who knows. So I'll think about a foot square, which is about 30 centimetres. Yeah, that'll do. Ta-da! So, do you think that's big enough or not? No, I'm thinking it's not. Oh, I don't know. We'll find out, won't we? I can always add some more on. You know, I can always put a strip on the top or whatever. Right, ready to put the first one on. It's nice and clean, there's no dust on there. We've washed it and we've gone over it with white spirit and tapes. And I've even given it a wipe with my arm. So yeah, that feels nice and clean. So we've got this trusty roller, which I've seen other people using, so it was on YouTube, so it must be right. So yeah, that's not going to stay there, is it? But I bet you it stays in there. I bet you it doesn't. There you go. Right, let's peel a little bit off to begin with. Are you excited, Brenda?
Woohoo!
About there, do you think?
Well, yeah, in the middle. Middle for diddle.
Looks alright for me.
The next.
It's just to get out any air bubbles. I might have gone over the top there, but do us a favour, Brenda, will you bang that panel over there, see how loud it is? Is it the same?
Yeah, I think you have to get them all done before.
No, I don't know.
Do the middle, what you just did.
Oh, that's a lot different. Yeah, but that's the same panel. Just make a difference. Just make a difference. It's not a hard job, especially when you've got two sets of hands on it. It's cutting really easy. I've found that if we cut on the workbench so it comes down through the gap rather than on the hard surface, it just slices straight through it I'm using the Stanley knife, pretty easy. You haven't noticed I've got a little glove on, a bit Michael Jackson. A shampoo! Yeah, I keep cutting myself and getting blood all over the place. Don't forget to do those bottom panels too. So when you're putting this stuff on, just a little tip, do use the roller. Do not rub your hands across the top like that, because look at the state of my hands. It's quite sharp. It's like a horror show.
Like Thriller.
Shampoo! Are you sure you need to put it in them panels, Michael? Right, you may have noticed the deliberate mistake. We have been absolute idiots. This is where the window's going to be, so it doesn't need this on. And the same on the other side. So all we've done is wasted our time and probably wasted money. I don't know if this will come off. I've got a little heat gun here. I'm going to give it a try, see what happens. It's pretty sticky stuff though. After using the heat gun and burning our hands and making a right mess, we've discovered that comes off easier without the heat gun. It's a bit gooey though. And I'm going to stick that over here. I'm sure it'll be fine. So we just tried to decide where to stick these bits on the ceiling, or roof, whatever we call it. I think a bit there, a bit there, and a bit there. That'll do just standy. But we also trying to work out where we're going to put the roof vent in. We wanted to put it there, right in the middle of there. But if you look to the floor, that's where our toilet's going to come out, toilet and shower. So we can't put it there because that'll be in the way. So I didn't want to put it on there because it's got all them extra ridges in. So we're thinking it might just go in there. I don't know. So on this bit we're doing in the middle, can you see we've got all these ridges there? I'm going to heat it up a little bit, just so it's easier to, it makes it a bit more malleable so it can go in all the nooks and crannies.
Into the groove.
Doesn't need much. It's not very cold today, so it's about 11 degrees here in Hartlepool, which is the northeast of England. There you go, job done. Stopped all the booming. Miracle!
Boom, boom, boom.
Right, this one's proven a bit more troublesome, but I think I might give, where's my hooky thing? Yeah, but where's the hook? That's the little thing, it has to come, it's supposed to come out right through there. I think it's going to be a bit of a
Pain getting back on again.
yeah, well, hey ho, that'll do for now. Specky. Brenda pops the last one on, and that's it, job done. Well, howdy partners, that's the end of our video for today. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give us a big thumbs up. Oh, look at me thumb. And don't forget to subscribe, please. It would be great if you subscribed. I'd love you if you did. Would you, Bren?
Yeah, I would as well.
Right. Anyway, that's it, done. You can see we've got all the sound deadening on, even on the ceiling there. We've done a good job. We've had some ups and downs, but I think it's been all right. So we will say goodbye for now, and tomorrow we will be doing something else. We don't know what yet because of the weather. So that's bye-bye from me.
And bye-bye from me.
Bye-bye now.
Yahoo!